In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a click-to-call or mail-to link in HubSpot. This is a great tool for enhancing customer interaction by making it easy for your audience to reach you directly from your content. Whether you're looking to include these links in emails, on web pages, or in marketing materials, this process is straightforward. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trial guide. If you're not there yet, you can find it by clicking through the navigation pane. Once you've arrived at the Found a Trial Guide, you're in the right place to begin. Now, look for the email section. This is where we'll be setting up everything you need. Select that option by clicking on it. If you're planning to send these links via email, this step is crucial as it sets up the format you'll be using for the rest of the process. After you've clicked on email, proceed to Create Email. This will be the foundation of your new communication piece equipped with interactive links. Click on this option to open the email creation panel. HubSpot will prompt you with several options to customize and create from scratch or use a pre-existing template. The next step is to click on New Email. You might see a variety of templates to choose from, or you could start with a blank one if that suits your needs better. Remember, the goal here is to integrate an easily accessible call or email link directly into this communication. Now that your email template is open, the fun part begins. Click on the HTML option. This is where you'll input the code necessary to make those links functional. Once you're in the HTML editor, you can add your custom HTML tags for the click-to-call or mail-to function. For a phone link, you'll use the tell tag followed by the number. For an email link, it's mail-to followed by the email address. Consider this handy tip while crafting your links. Test them thoroughly before going live. Preview the email and experiment with your links to ensure they direct correctly. Testing at this stage can save you a lot of potential hassle with broken links or incorrect redirects. Once you're satisfied with your setup and have double-checked that everything operates smoothly, you're ready to save your changes. Make sure to name your new creation clearly so you can easily recognize it later amongst other correspondence. And there you have it, a simple way to create click-to-call or mail-to links in HubSpot. This small addition to your emails can significantly enhance interactivity, resulting in more seamless communication with your audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do for improving engagement with your customers.